Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix Bluetooth disappeared in Windows 11. Here are the steps to fix Bluetooth that has disappeared in Windows 11. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can often reload missing drivers or services. Check if Bluetooth is enabled. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. If Bluetooth toggle is missing, continue with the next steps. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Click Run next to Bluetooth. Check Device Manager for Bluetooth. Press Win plus X. Select Device Manager. Look under Bluetooth. If it's missing, go to the next step. Show hidden devices. In Device Manager, click View, Show hidden devices. See if Bluetooth appears. Scan for hardware changes. In Device Manager Bluetooth, right-click on it. Click Scan for hardware changes. Reinstall Bluetooth drivers. In Device Manager, uninstall your Bluetooth device if present. Restart your PC, and Windows will attempt to reinstall the drivers automatically. Download drivers from manufacturer's website. Visit your PC or motherboard manufacturer's website. Download and install the latest Bluetooth drivers for Windows 11. Check Windows services. Press Win plus R, then type the codes, and then hit Enter. Ensure Bluetooth support service is running and set to automatic or manual. Run Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all pending updates. Updates may contain Bluetooth fixes. Use System Restore. If Bluetooth disappeared recently, search Create a restore point on the control panel. Then use and click System Restore to revert to a time when Bluetooth was working. These steps should help restore the Bluetooth function in Windows 11. If the problem persists, it may be a hardware issue. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.